Y'all, if you have middle school kids, high school kids, teenage kids in general, this is a great gift option. It can be for Christmas, it can be just because, or you can be like me and get this for yourself. I got this specifically because it wakes you up with a sun shining, and it has multiple different sounds. I'm going to add all of that to the end so you can see all of the colors, exactly how it works whenever the alarm goes off, and all of the different sounds. This is a very affordable alarm clock. It is a lot like a specific one that is way over. This is just a very great option for another brand. Like I said, I'm going to link all this in the end. This is great. I mean, this is a super awesome alarm clock.